In today's machine building industry, we need to reinvent the way we deliver maintenance. IIoT devices are providing new insights into machine performance, taking advantage of this data to reduce costs and deliver accurate information to service technicians. Address these challenges, realizing a digital twin for service to get the most out of your full machine lifecycle with Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics. Enhance the tracking of operational performance with personalized apps for operations and revolutionize service training with augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality technologies to better manage scarce resources, travel restrictions and expensive workforces. When considering moving to an equipment as a service business model, we need to be able to predict repair, maintenance and spare parts requests, allowing actions to be planned before critical, costly failures occur, and create a symbiotic relationship with machine operators that expands your profitability through maintenance services and improves machine availability. Take a holistic view of the machine lifecycle and allow your business to grow in services and to yield the machines of tomorrow, today. Stay in touch with your machines to harness their data, enhance the currently deployed product information infrastructure to minimize service cost, maximize machine availability and performance, and drive revenue with Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics.